up, world? It's your girl, Joy Daly, and Lauryn Hill recently performed and brought her son out, YG Marley, for a special surprise performance. And when I tell you, this man sounds exactly like Bob Marley.
Oh, no, 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 no. Baby, tell me where you gone. Tell me. And I've been feeling for your love so long. And we can praise Jah in the moonlight.
So that just goes to show you how strong those Marley genes are, that YG Marley is sounding just like Bob Marley, and we talking about a couple of generations down. Leave your thoughts on his performance right here on JoyDaily.tv.